Do you study English every day but still struggle to speak? Do you know many English words but can't make sentences? If yes, then this video is for you, my friend. Today, in this video, I am going to share 3 simple things that you must do every day if you want to improve your English. These are not expensive tricks. You don't need coaching classes. You don't need study for hours. Even if you are a student, a farmer, a homemaker, or someone with a busy schedule, you can follow these 3 habits. Stay with me until the end because the third habit is one of that helped me the most. When people start learning English, they often focus only on grammar. They buy grammar books, they watch grammar videos, and they memorize the rules. But after months, even years, they still hesitate to speak. Why? Because English is a language skill. Think about to learning or riding a bicycle. Can you learn cycling only by reading a book? No, you must ride a bicycle, right? And English work the same way. If you want to learn English, you need to start speaking English. And today in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 habits that help you to improve your English. First habit is listen to English every day. The first thing you must do is listen to English. Many learners ignore listening. They try to speak without listening enough. But to be honest, my friends, listening is very important and it helps me a lot. If you listen a lot, your brain learns languages naturally. And listening is very important. How children learn. First, they listen to their parents and the people around them, right? Then they start speaking. They make a lot of mistake, and finally one day they start speaking. So in the same way, you can also learn too. The more you listen, the better you speak. Listening helps us how to frame a sentence, pronunciation, vocabulary, and natural expression. And friends, if you listen a lot, you will feel like I can speak English. I used to do the same things. I used to listen same video multiple times. And whenever I was listening same video multiple times, I used to feel that I can speak. Even I was not able to speak perfectly, but I started trying to speak. And that's really helped me a lot. So you can try this. And friends, you don't need difficult content. Start with simple English. Listen to short stories and dramas, English speech, and children's books or cartoon. Try to listen simple English because if you listen simple English, you will feel that you know something, right? And if you don't know any words, try to search on Google or Chat GPT. Then try to listen the same video again. Then you will understand the story. Even if you are listening 10 or 20 minutes daily can help you. If you are walking, try to listen podcast. If you are cooking, try to listen, or whatever you are doing. If you are not able to see videos, then try to listen, and it will definitely help you. The goal is not to understand every word. The goal is train your ears. At first, you may understand only 20%. That's okay. Keep listening. After a month, you will notice the difference. So, keep listening. For example, imagine you hear, I'm going to the market. And after listening it again and again, your brain will understand the pattern. Then you can make sentence. I'm going to the school. I'm going to my friend's house. I'm going to the gym. This is the power of listening. Habit 2. Speak every day. The second thing you must do every day is speak English. Many learners, they wait and they say, I will learn grammar perfectly, then I will start speaking. I will speak when I will become fluent in English. But let me tell you, my friends, fluency comes from speaking, not before speaking. You don't need a partner to speak English. You can do practice alone. Try to describe the things, whatever you're seeing around you. I do the same things. Whatever I see around me or whatever I do, I try to describe in English. If I don't get any words, I just search on ChatGPT or Google. Then again, I try to make sentences. So you can do the same things. And if you describe the things, you will learn many new vocabulary. It's okay if you're making mistake. Don't try to be perfect. First, try to speak English. If you're making mistake, then try to search on Google and rectify your mistake and try to again speak. And apart from this, record your voice. So friends, try to describe the things. For example, I'm cooking, I'm watering the plant, I'm going to the field, and I will sweep the floor. So friends, these type of simple sentences are enough. Don't think too much about your mistakes. Mistakes are the part of our learning journey. Even a fluent speaker made thousands of mistakes when they were beginner. The difference is they didn't stop learning. Let me tell you daily practice idea. Stand in front of mirror for 5 or 10 minutes and talk about your day, your family, your daily routine, or about your room, or whatever you watch on TV. And this is really best way. At first you may feel uncomfortable, but when you practice daily you will get confidence. So remember, my friends, a child falls many times before learning to walk. Nobody laughs at the child. So learning English is the same. Keep trying, keep practicing every day. You will definitely start speaking one day. And the third habit is learn and use new words daily. The third thing you must do is learn and use new words every day. Friends, many learners they learn many vocabularies in a day and they make a big list of vocabulary, but they forget because they never use them, right? They only learn vocabulary. But friends, whenever you are learning vocabulary, try to use them, because if you will not use, you will definitely forget. Try to share with your friends whatever you are learning, and try to make any story, whatever vocabulary you are learning, because if you are learning any vocabulary, suppose you learn 2 or 3 vocab in a day and you are making a story using those vocabulary, you will never forget. And one another thing is that if you are learning any new vocabulary, try to share with your friends, because if you share with your friends, it will help you to remember for a long times. And try to teach whatever you are learning. Teaching is also best way to improve or to remember vocabulary for a long times. I used to do the same things. Let me tell you guys, whenever I learn vocabulary, still whenever I learn new vocabulary, I try to share with my friends, or I try to make any story. Or if I will not able to make story using those vocabulary, I just search on chat gpt, and I just say that try to make a story using these vocabulary. Then ChatGPT generate a story. That is really useful for me, my friends, and it will be useful for you as well. And that's really interesting that you can make a story like as you want, horror story, funny story, any story, and it will definitely help you to remember vocabulary for a long time. And friends, try to relate those vocabulary with your life, whatever you are learning, and try to make sentence. Suppose you learn a word harvested. Try to make sentence, I harvested vegetables in the morning. And suppose you learn a word practice. So you can make sentence, I practice English every day. So this is how you can make sentences. And friends, don't try to learn many vocabulary in a day. Try to learn only 1 or 2 vocabulary. And you can learn many vocabulary in a years. So it's not about only learning vocabulary, it's about how you can recall and how can you use them vocabulary, right? So try to learn useful vocabulary. There are many vocabulary that we are not using in our daily life. So try to learn useful vocabulary and try to learn vocabulary in a groups. For example, search on ChatGPT or Google, generate vocabulary related to railway station, vocabulary related to home, vocabulary related to field, and the name of the tools. So this kind of vocabulary if you learn, so you can learn many vocabulary in a day, and try to search wherever you are working and whatever you are doing, so you can see those vocabulary in front of you, and that will definitely help you to improve. Because when you see those vocabulary and you will search at the same times, and you if you are using those tools while working, and if you are using same words again and again, and if you are seeing those tools, so you will never forget. So try to learn like this. So friends, let me remind you of the three habits: listen to English every day, speak English every day, and learn and use new words every day. Friends, these three habits may seem simple, but simple habit repeated daily create big result. So friends, don't look for shortcuts, don't compare yourself with others, compare yourself who you were yesterday. So friends, remember one thing: English is not a talent, it is just a skill, and any skill can be learned with practice. So friends, keep learning English every day, be consistent, and never give up. And one day you will realize that you have already improved your English. So never stop learning English. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.